Chapter 1 Geographical Diversity of India Question Answers from Grade 7 Subject Social Science. The big questions. Question 1 What are some key geographical features of India? Answer India has a wide variety of geographical features including mountains like the Himalayas, plains like the Gangetic Plains, deserts, Thar Desert, plateaus, Deccan Plateau, coastal areas and islands. Question 2. How does India's geographical diversity affect our lives? Answer. India's geographical diversity influences the climate, natural resources, occupations, crops grown, housing styles and cultural practices in different regions. Page 3. Let's explore. Do you recall your lesson on latitudes and longitudes? Look at the map. Can you read approximately the latitude and longitude where India lies? Answer. India lies roughly between 8° north to 37° north latitude and 68° east to 97° east longitude. Page 6. Let's explore. Can you locate the names of the states in the different parts of the Himalayas? Take the help of both the physical and political maps for this exercise. Answer. Yes, the Himalayas region covers several Indian states: Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Darjeeling region, Arunachal Pradesh. These states have different parts of the Himalayas like the Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik ranges. Don't miss out page 11. Most rivers are named after goddesses Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, etc. The name of Brahmaputra, however, means the son of Brahma. This river gets bigger during summer instead of drying up. Can you guess why? Answer. Because snow from the Himalayas melts and increases the river's flow. Let's explore page 11. Notice the concentration of lighting in the plains. What could be the reason for this concentration? Answer. The Gangetic plains are brightly lit in satellite images due to dense population and development. Let's explore page 12. What is the shape of a sand dune? While mountains are made of rock and their shape is fixed, why do you think sand dunes also have a similar shape even though they are made of sand? Answer. Shape of a sand dune, crescent or hill-like. Even though dunes are made of sand, the wind shapes them into similar forms again and again. Let's explore page 19. Look at the physical map of India in your school atlas or wall map and find the names of 5 rivers that flow into the Bay of Bengal. Find out India's coastal states and discuss the difference between the western and eastern coastal plains. Answer. 5 rivers that flow into the Bay of Bengal: Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi. Coastal states of India: West Coast, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. East Coast, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. Difference between western and eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plains are narrow and steep with shorter rivers forming estuaries. Eastern coastal plains are wide and flat with long rivers forming deltas. Next, do you know what it is called when these rivers split into multiple streams near the coast? Discuss with your teacher in class to find out. Answer. When rivers split into many streams near the sea, it is called a delta. Example, the Sundarbans Delta in West Bengal formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. Questions and activities. Question 1. What, in your opinion, are two important geographical features of India? Why do you think they are important? Answer. Two important geographical features of India are the Himalayas and the Gangetic Plains. The Himalayas protect us from cold winds and give rise to many rivers. The Gangetic Plains have very fertile soil and support farming and many people's lives. Question 2. What do you think India might have looked like if the Himalayas did not exist? Answer. If the Himalayas did not exist, cold winds from Central Asia would have made northern India very cold. There would be fewer rivers like the Ganga and Yamuna. Northern India might have been a dry and lifeless land instead of the green and fertile plains we see today. Question 3. India has been called a mini continent. Based on what you have read, why do you think this is so? Answer. India is called a mini continent because it has all kinds of landforms like mountains, deserts, plains, plateaus, coasts, and islands. It also has different climates, plants, animals, and cultures all in one country. Question 4. Follow one of India's big rivers from where it starts to where it meets the ocean. What are the different ways in which people might utilize this river along its journey? Answer. Let's take the Ganga River. Origin Gangotri Glacier. It gives clean water and is a holy place. Second, middle plains used for farming, bathing, washing, and transport. And delta in Bay of Bengal supports fishing, farming, and forms rich land for crops. People also use it for hydroelectricity and as a water source for cities. Question 5. Why is the southern part of India referred to as a peninsular plateau? Answer. The southern part of India is called a peninsular plateau because it is a high, flat land area surrounded by water on three sides: the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. Question 6. Which UNESCO heritage site mentioned in this chapter did you find more interesting? Why? Answer. I found the Western Ghats most interesting. It is full of forest, waterfalls, and the animals like the lion-tailed macaw and the king cobra. It is also the source of many rivers and helps bring rain during monsoons. Question 7. Identify the place you are at now. Which physical feature of India would you use to describe its location? Answer. Students can write their own answer. Example for Delhi. I live in Delhi, which is in the Gangetic Plains. This area is flat and fertile, with rivers like the Yamuna flowing through it. Question 8. Food preservation techniques differ from place to place across India. Do a class project. Answer. Here are some food preservation methods from different parts of India. First, drying. Drying vegetables and fruits in the sun, common in Rajasthan. Second, pickling. Using oil, salt, and spices to preserve mango, lemon, etc. Third, fermentation. Making dosa and idli batter, South India. Next, salting. Preserving fish with salt, coastal areas. Question 9. Despite having such different regions, India remains one country. How do you think our geography has helped unite people? Answer. Even though India has deserts, mountains, plains, and coast, rivers connect many regions and trade routes, festivals, and shared farming practices bring people together. Nature has given us different resources, so we depend on each other, which creates unity. So, friends, we have completed all the question answers from chapter 1, Geographical Diversity of India. We have already studied the notes from this chapter. You can find the link in the description and on the screen. We will study chapter 2 in the next video of this playlist. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.